loves, welcome to Vlogmas day 19. We got two more days to my birthday. I'll be 52 December 21st. Yay! So with that being said, today's vlog, today's Vlogmas. We're going to do a Milani collection. I should have had all this already down here. Okay, I have the Milani matte lipsticks. My favorite one right here. And this is the one we're going to do last because this is the one I really like. We're going to do the test on... I don't have baby wipes. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to get ready, do a good time lapse on me getting ready, and I'm going to have on this lipstick here, which is in the shade Don't Get Your Girl a Lion. Woo! This is Sugar. This is Sugar. So we're going to be wearing Sugar today. So with that being said, we're going to do these four. Is it upside down? It probably is. We're going to be doing these four Milani lipsticks, matte lipsticks, plus 2, 4. We have 8 of these. But we're going to be swiping on the hand because I did a lip scrub today and your girl do not want to be scrubbing her lips anymore today. So as you see, I have on a short wig. I cut up a wig just that quick because I wanted a short look to do this Milani lipstick. So versus the hair that I had the other day, we're gonna mute that. So I cut this old wig up to make it a bob, and I have my glasses holding it up because I'm nowhere near my bobby pin. So let's get started. We're going to use the Milk and Magnesia. I'm not going to keep the makeup on long today because I'm going out, and of course I'm going to have on a face mask, so there's going to be... I hate these masks because I can't wear my makeup, and I don't want to be walking around here with my eyes looking all tired. So we're just going to have to make up my eyes. But anyway, today, right now, video, we're going to put on Milk and Magnesia. Oh, don't break on me. It broke. Stick with me today. Stick with me. Milk and Magnesia helps dry my T-zone or oily skin. I even put it on my eyes. So I'm hoping everyone is having an awesome Saturday. I am. I made an outfit. It's coming soon. I made a jogging sweatsuit. A jogging, I don't know what you want to call it. A jogging suit. Because it's not a sweatsuit. Because it's not cotton. It's polyester. But anyway, I made one on the wing and the prayer of me supposed to be rocking it today to go to my daughter's Secret Santa gathering today. So with that being said, let's just dry. While it's drying, we're going to sharpen. What is sticking me in my eye? This is a quick one. So that is the quick beat. That's it. By the time I leave today, this from here down, there's no makeup. But I will be rocking my matte lipstick because Milani is long lasting. All the rest of the lipsticks will be in the description box down below. I keep telling y'all that, and I know it doesn't happen. But anyway, this is a brown, which I like. This is a nude color. And this is like a red, I think. Because the one I'm wearing is a burgundy. It's like a burgundy. But this one here, I believe is a red. Well, actually, this one is the burgundy one. But it has more of a red undertone to it. Versus this one here, the one I have on. Oh, that's too close. I put too close. But you see the two difference. Let's put it right here. Now, those are the shades. Hold your thought. On to the lipsticks. This one is number 21. I can't see the words, but this is number 21. Let's do it on my arm because there's 8 of them. This one here is a 65. It's like a purple. I used to rock this one a lot. This one here is number 70. This is like a brown. This one here is number 61. This is a nude color. I used to rock this with the brown lip liner. This one here is a number 38. I never wore this one. We need to rock this one. This is like a, I can't see it. I think it's 38 double espresso. It's another brown. It has a sheen to it. Can't believe I never wore this one. This one here is a number 48. I know this one is a Tuscan Toast. It's like a red. If I had baby wipes, I would be trying these on. But like I said, I already did a lip scrub. I haven't even worn this one. This one is number 24. This is a black cherry. I need to rock this one. Sounds like my shade. Oh, yes. It's like a burgundy. Yes. We're going to rock this one day. And the last but not least, this one is, I think I have 2 of these. 38. So I have 2 double espresso. So this one also is a new one. So I'm going to give away this one. So I have 7 of these. These are pretty shades. I rocked a lot of these except the brown. This one and this one. So, with that being said, this is my Milani lipstick collection. And the one I'm rocking has always been my favorite. So, thank you for watching. This is your girl, Tara Love Diva. And my lip got stuck together. There we go. What was I going to say? Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe to your girl's channel. This is Vlogmas Day 19.